So hello and welcome back to my channel once again. We've got a little bit more progress on the site where we're going to be building our new house. Not exactly progress with the house itself, but we now have got a steel shed up, which is going to be sort of, I suppose, a replacement for our garage at home and our garden shed. So that's going to be where all my woodworking sort of tools and equipment's going to go into. It's going to be a big upgrade. It's going to be a lot bigger. I'm just going to spin the camera around here. You might just be able to see it in the distance. We've got a gate up at the site as well here. It's looking very green, probably from the last time I done something out here as well. We're into the end of May here, so there's been plenty of growth. So let's get the gate open anyway for starters. See how smoothly the camera will take it when we drive down the lane here. Probably going to be a bit dark in here. Hopefully you can, it's not too bad through the screen anyway. So as I say, this is going to be the new workshop stroke garden shed. Significantly bigger than what we had before, thankfully. For anybody interested, it is 9 meters long by 6 wide. If we go out the side here. On this side we have an overhang which is 2 meters wide, and it runs the length of the building as well, so that's another 9 meters. So yeah, so this has been up now probably 10 days, less than 2 weeks anyway, and I have to say we're delighted with it. Well, I am anyway. Like I say, it's a huge improvement on the little garage that I was in before. It got to the point that so much sort of stuff crammed in there, and to be honest, it was off-putting, because anytime you wanted to use a particular machine or something, you were having to move stuff out of the way just to use it, and then when you were done you were moving it back to use something else, and then if you needed to use another one again you were just back forward, moving stuff out of the way. And to be honest, it was more frustrating than anything else. It just completely would put you off wanting to go in and work in it. So hopefully here we're going to have a lot more space. I'm not sure what way I'm going to set everything up. Most likely the workshop stuff's going to be into this kind of back corner area, because we probably will want to drive the car in maybe the whole time in here. This side here will probably keep the kind of more garden shady kind of stuff, maybe this corner here. We'll see what space we have. I'd like to have some kind of, almost like a mudroom, kind of a changing area where you can kind of come in and put on boots or wellies or coats, that sort of thing. So yeah, quite the change. Absolutely delighted with it. Plenty of work still to be done. We need to insulate it, and I'd like to sheet it then as well. Probably with, I would like to do it with plywood, but it's going to be expensive enough. I would say it's going to be end up going to be OSB, which will still be expensive enough. So yeah, just a quick video. We get a look at the shed. We're going to give it a bit of a sweep out here because it's a little bit dusty and a little bit mucky, just with footprints of the guys in whenever they were putting it up. So we'll get it swept out. We have to get some stuff moved down here, stored out of the way. So we'll get cracking on that. Alright, we're going to try something that's a little bit lazy, if I'm honest. If it works, it'll be great, but here's hoping we don't make a mess of things. I told you. Well, I'm not sure how good an idea that was. It's probably going to need brushed anyway, because I don't think that the blower got everything, but it was quick. We'll let the dust settle, as the saying goes. I think we'll get out of here for a minute or two. So that pretty much wraps us up. Get the garage closed up again, and I think we'll head home. Just killing a few hours on a Sunday, out just to sweep out the new shed, as we say. And yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. As I say, hopefully foundations and that starting in the near future. Bye.